In this video, I want to take you step by step through the creation of a custom page template. In this case, it's a template to create a links page, to take all of the WordPress links that we do and display them on a single page. A fairly common template people want, but it's also a nice simple one, and we can go through everything very easily. So, let's start out by getting us page.php out of our parent theme. Remember, we're working as a child theme here, and we want to create a page template. So you start with the original template for a page. So here it is, page.php, and really what it's doing here is just looking for loop dash page, that is, but we don't actually need a loop in that sense. We just want to get all the links. Now I'm going to save this as page-links. I like to do that because it keeps it straight in my mind that this is a page template as opposed to a loop or something like that. So page-links. Alright. Now one of the things we need to do, I remember, I'm pretending I'm doing this from scratch. So I remember that I need to indicate that it's a template somehow. Now how do I do that? Well, let's say I forget, and I go over here and I open up one column dash page. Now this was a template that I saw in 2010 and I knew it was a page template. Oh, okay, that's right. Template name, that's what I need up at the top. So let me just copy that. That's the easiest thing to do right up there. And I put this into my page-links. I put it up at the top here. Template 1. And I'm going to change this because this is not for displaying all pages, so I don't need that anymore. So let me rename this now because it's not one column, no sidebar. This is complete list of links. That way it's a name that I'll know when I pull up the page template list. Alright, we don't need that. And I'm just going to mention that this is part of my theme test. And I don't need that line either because this is just the version 1. Okay, so we've got our get header, that's good. Now we need to get rid of this in here because we don't need the loop. Or actually, do we? Maybe we do need the loop because remember, this is going to be an actual page in WordPress and I'll have a place to put some content, and maybe I want to say something at the top of the page before the links occur. So maybe I do need to have, but I don't need a whole separate loop for it. So let me go over to loop-page. And yeah, let's do that. Let's grab the whole loop. Alright, we may not need all of it, but let's put it in here and we'll replace this with the actual loop. There we go. Now, we're not worrying about whether this is a front page or not, so I can just get rid of this because we actually know that it's not going to be the front page, so we'll just get rid of that. There's our title, our content. We're not going to have any pages to link, and I don't usually have in the edit button. I actually don't like to use it for my clients, and I don't need comments, do I? So I'll just take out that. Alright, so there's our loop. It's going to show us the content if we decide to put in any. We've got that. Now after the content, this is all the entry content area, but after the content, this is where I'm going to put, I'm just going to leave some extra space so it's obvious. That's where I'm going to put my code for this. I just paste it in there. I don't need any arguments, so I just take that out. And now I just save my page, and I will go and upload it. And so now let me go over to here, and I'm going to add a new page. Now let's just check. There it is, right in there. There's our complete list of links. It now shows as a template. Perfect. So I'm just going to call this links. Now let's just put up here, test that our editor work comes through. There we go. And I hit publish. Now remember, things don't automatically go on the menu. So I'm going to go over to Appearance and to Menu. And let's just go over here, and there's links showing up because we just recently added it. I put it in there. I'm going to drag it over here before contact us, let's say. And I'm going to save menu. And now we hit refresh. There's our links page. Perfect. There's all of our links showing up. So we just created a page template for that. And we could go in and style it, of course, at this point and make things look a little prettier. But the main thing is we got our page template working. There you go.